In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Google Wallet as your default payment app and use it to pay in stores. To get started, first unlock your smartphone so you can access your settings and make sure everything is ready before you head to checkout. If your phone uses fingerprint, face unlock, or a passcode, use whichever method you normally prefer. Having your phone unlocked makes the process smoother and helps avoid delays when you're about to pay. Next, open your settings app and go to apps, then default apps, and then payment. In this section, choose Google Wallet as your default payment app. This step is important because it tells your phone which app should handle contactless payments automatically when you bring your device near a payment terminal. If Google Wallet is already selected, you're good to go and won't need to change anything. It's a good idea to quickly double check this setting ahead of time, especially if you've recently installed another payment app or changed phone settings. Once that's done, you're ready to make a purchase in person. At checkout, wait until the card reader is ready to accept payment, then hold your phone close to the reader. Usually placing the back of the phone near the contactless symbol works best since that's where the NFC antenna is often located. Keep the phone steady for a moment so the reader has enough time to detect it. In most cases, you'll hear a sound, feel a vibration, or see a visual confirmation on your phone when the payment is being processed. After that, confirm that the payment has been completed by checking either the card reader or your phone screen. Depending on the store's terminal, you may see a message such as payment approved, a check mark, or another confirmation indicator. On your phone, Google Wallet may also show that the transaction was successful. Always wait for this confirmation before putting your phone away just to make sure the payment has gone through properly. And that's it. Once Google Wallet is set as your default payment app, paying with your phone becomes fast, simple, and convenient. If you plan to use this often, it can help to practice the motion of holding your phone near the reader so it feels natural the next time you're at the register.